graduates and parents. I am delighted to preside over this passing out parade and to join the Prison Service Training College community in witnessing the well-deserved graduation of 222 cadet officers who have successfully completed 13 months of rigorous professional training. It is particularly encouraging to see 84 of the cadet officers on parade are female and that 27 are serving officers. Clearly, the service continues to open up opportunities for education and training without discrimination, and I urge the leadership of the institution to encourage enrollment by young women in greater numbers. For those who are graduating today, congratulations. Correctional services are a vital function of our penal and national security framework. They are tasked with the custody and rehabilitation of offenders in a manner that guarantees that both the public as well as the inmates enjoy their rights, dignity, explore opportunities and aspirations lawfully, safely, and peacefully. It is my hope that the service has now embraced correctional practices and aligned its policies, procedures, and standards with the Constitution and our development agenda. The shift in the correctional service paradigm from punishment and retribution to rehabilitation and correction has opened up novel possibilities with important implications for our development program. In particular, the rehabilitation and correction framework focuses on reform, redirection, as well as the empowerment of prisoners for effective social participation. To reduce a prisoner's likelihood of returning to antisocial conduct and increase their capacity for gainful activity, correctional services now impart knowledge, skills, and training in various arts and crafts. I have considered the various fields in which the service trains prisoners and noted with great satisfaction that they align with the government's commitment under the bottom-up economic transformation agenda. Under agriculture and food security agenda, we intend to feed the nation and drastically enhance our agro-industrial output. Many correctional institutions have huge tracts of land that should be put to full use and join the government in fulfilling the food sufficiency commitment. These institutions have duly been instructed to ensure productivity and increase in incomes, more specifically for the prison department. We are going to provide, as I committed, 67 new tractors and other implements and equipment that will enable the prison department in the lands that they have to put under production 8,000 acres to produce maize, to produce rice, vegetables, and other produce that will support the government program on food sufficiency. Under our affordable housing program, we have set out to create millions of jobs throughout the building industry, construction of projects, extraction and preparation of building materials, as well as fabrication and installation of fixtures, fittings, and other accessories, among other activities. Under our micro and small enterprise, we intend to encourage the prison's enterprise by providing additional modern equipment to improve the quality of products that comes out of our prison enterprise industry so that we can better serve both the inmates with good quality training and equipping them with the necessary knowledge for them to participate meaningfully once they leave prison. We have embarked also on financial and capacity and other forms of empowerment for entrepreneurs to innovate, incubate, and curate business ideas into the next generation and to profitably engage in enterprise in various sectors and at different scales.